Are you searching for the best rechargeable electric pruning shear? In this video, we will look at the 5 best rechargeable electric pruning shear, which save you time and money. Number 1. Yofidra Brushless Electric Pruning Shears. Brushless motor, strong power, fast cutting speed, improve efficiency. The professional blade is forged from high carbon steel. The blade is extremely sharp and durable. Portable machine, shockproof machine and non-slip, ergonomic design. It will not be easy to feel tired after long time use. Long working time. The working time of the machine is about 2 to 3 hours. Low noise, good fatigue resistance. Flexible in use, easy to turn, safe and reliable, easy to maintain, convenient to replace battery and operate, multifunctional purpose. This electric pruning shears can be used in many kinds of gardens, parks, farms, orchards and greenhouses as vine knife, tree pruning, garden shears, etc.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. Yofidra 4 Gears Electric Pruning Shears. 30mm max brushless electric pruning shears. 4 gears for Makita 18V battery electric scissors for orchard shrub branch pruning.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. ONEVAN 4 Gears Brushless Electric Pruning Shears. Pruning shears made in USA. Heavy-duty pruning shears. How to sanitize pruning shears. Brushless motor. Equipped with a brushless motor, this pruning shear offers high efficiency and longer lifespan. For gears adjustment, features 4 gears for precise cutting control, ensuring versatility for various pruning tasks. Cordless rechargeable. Cordless design with rechargeable capability, providing freedom and convenience for pruning.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. OLOEY Cordless Lithium-ion Progressive Pruning Shear. Powerful. The cordless progressive chopping shear is designed to be used for all kinds of branches, such as tree branches, trees, branch, and so on. Stable. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is not easy to rust and can be used for a long time. High speed. This electric tree branch scissors is equipped with a high-speed blade, which can quickly cut the branches and leaves.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. ONEVAN Rechargeable Electric Pruning Shears. Cordless. ONEVAN 30mm 4 Gears Brushless Electric Pruning Shears. Cordless rechargeable fruit tree bonsai pruning for Makita 18V battery.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.